all you have to do, just get the things and put in your mouth. We will song for you a dynamite.
Yeah! Boy, yeah!
Music!
Come on now!
Yeah!
There sometimes, say yeah, Galileo. I wanna celebrate, I live my life, saying yeah, gotta let's go. Cause we want to love, we're gonna go all night. Gonna like a dynamite. Cause I told you twice, we're gonna hold your eyes. We're gonna light it up like a dynamite. I know my heaven in the air sometimes, say yeah, Galileo. Come on! I wanna celebrate and live my life, say yeah, Galileo. Like it twice, don't you want? I put a dynamite. And I don't think twice, and right, like a dynamite.
Hey, wait a minute. We're gonna have a drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Good boy. Near, boy. We sing a dynamite. This is my baby dinosaur. Come, baby. Anyway, thank you very much. What? You want more? You want really more? Okay, now I give you more. Jimmy Santos do a rock. ABC?
Yeah.
ABC?
During his front act, he rapped.
What kind of rap is that?
My goodness.
Now, Jimmy Santos, we teach you how to sing. A freestyle rapping. Freestyle rapping.
All right.
Freestyle rapping.
Give me some beat now.
You want to begin somebody? Right?
Hey.
Somebody.
Check.
Yeah, come on, do it now. Yeah.
Come on now.
Look at that beautiful lady out there.
Yo, Jimmy Santos, you listen, this is the proper way how to rock, Jimmy.
I love you. Here we go now.
One, two,
everybody now. Say yo. Say oh. Say say ooh. Hey, beat up, big bomb right, bomb down. Well, take it up right, red, don't take it up right. Don't take it up. Free fight. Anyone you got take it, all you got take it right.
That's right.
You got take it, take it up. So we got it. We're gonna bomb right now. I got a big right now. They're gonna dump right now. They're gonna drop. Say yo. Say oh. Say say ooh. I say oh. I say oh. Here you go. Break away.
Rap yun.
Ha? Rap.
Parang wala din ako naiintindihan, pare.
Ha?
Parang wala din ako naiintindihan.
Magkasama na tayo, hindi mo pa naintindihan. You want more? Okay, I give you more. Here we go. Once again. I say 1, 2, 3, 4. You got a bum. I got a ooh. Anyway, I take it, I pick it up, pick it up, we got to make it up, red, 1, 2, 3. Jimmy Santos, break away.
Yeah, huh? You know what's the meaning of that rap?
Hey,
You know what's the meaning of that rap?
what?
It's quando.
Hey, Jimmy, are you talking?
Hey. Hey, guys.
No, we are not gay.
Is that all?
May itsura mo kang lasing.
That's it?
Yes.
Yun na?
If you want more, I give you more.
You know, you guys, meron pa kayong
No,
pare-rehearsal.
speaking English.
It's being
You have a pull-up rehearsal.
We want to
Dancing, bouncing. That's all. Your voice is like, it's like you're dancing. Lousy.
Now,
Very
lousy.
lousy. It's not my leg, you know? It's not my leg, that type of performance.
What performance you are have?
Lousy. I told you, lousy.
Lousy?
Nah, you're lousy.
Oh.
Look at Jared.
How about my rapping? ABC, IAO.
That's nothing.
All the people understand IAEOO and ABC. But the rap you done,
But the people understand.
no,
Everybody say, yo! See, they understand.
because there is a yo-ho.
Yo-ho, you must yo-ho.
Remove the oh.
Oh-ho.
Oh.
Just like you, you're so old. Oh.
Hey, guys, listen to me.
Okay, I listening.
Listen. Well. I know I have something better soon to come.
You have something better
Yes.
to come?
In all theaters near you. You better pay attention because a bigger, a grander performance will happen. Care of yours truly,
I don't believe that.
Jimmy Saints, the name you can trust.
Bigger performance?
Yeah.
Bigger?
Yes. Bigger
That
than...
big like you?
Yes. As big as me. Grander.
What?
Grander.
What is that?
Tremendous.
Rounder?
You better watch that.
You better not cry.
Okay.
You better not pout. I'm telling you why.
Okay, spell the word that you say.
Huh?
Spell.
What performance?
You spell.
Yeah, you spell.
Tremendous.
Yeah.
You spell tremendous.
Tremendous. You guys, you try to leave me down.
All right. How about you say? How do you spell Jimmy Santos?
Jimmy Santos?
Yeah.
Huh? Jimmy Santos. B-O.
What's B.O.?
What? Just B.O.?
What B.O.?
B-O.
What's the meaning of that?
Because of you. You're Jimmy Santos, you're B.O. You're very O-O. Is that
What?
what?
B.O. Bad obligation?
Baka sapakin na tayo. Ang laki dyan. Let's go. Parang nagagalit na. Hey, I know you're good. I know you're good, Jimmy Santos, but very careful, okay? When you're driving your car.
You sing the Cuando.
Oh,
But you know, the lyrics, I cannot understand.
lapitan na natin ito para magkatapos-tapos na tayo
I
dito.
cannot understand the lyrics of your Cuando.
What?
Not clear in my head. You're not.
Parang may sakit na. Parang ina-atake ka lang. Oh, look at that, oh. Yes. Uy. Ah. Oh, look at that. Wet one. Oh. Ano yan? Ano yan? What do you call that?
Huh?
What do you call that?
Michael Jackson step forward. Okay, well.
Well, all you have to do is well.
Well. Listen to this, guys. Huh? Listen to this. There is one or there is more happen in your lifetime.
Ano kumakanta
You understand that?
Is that a song?
No. You know, I want to say is I like to say something. There is one thing I like to say to all of you. It Bulaga will return to sender after this reminder. Okay?
Yeah, 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 we go right, yeah. Here we go now, yeah. They got the big dog, give me some dog, I need to do that.
Hey, hey, double cuts! Calm down, calm. I am here already. I'm gonna make sure that this afternoon is the best afternoon of your life.
Don't miss Jimmy Santos in this rare concert event. Jimmy Santos is in the house. Susunod na. Siguradong masaya at maswerte ang pagpasok ng bagong taon dito, mga Dabarkads. Kaya